So this will be the first time for me going up in that message board overhead compartment, so let's just go find out what it looks like up there. Oh good, I got my partner in crime. So today we're gonna go up there into that housing, go inside that door and start changing out pixel panels, see if we can't fix this problem. These are the pixel panels.
Supposed to
Connect, they're popping out, huh?
yeah, I mean, you see, they're just
Jeez.
because this breaker box door was open, this was down. I don't know if that had anything. I mean, all these fucking things are loose.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, right there,
That beam got bent, someone hit this, yeah.
right here. Look, see, you can stick my finger in there, and it gets tight back there.
Yup.
Yeah.
Someone drove right through there and smacked this board.
Yep.
Oh, that's why these are all hanging out. Wow.
I'm saying it wouldn't make sense if they just fell out.
Yep, right, exactly. Let's see if we can get these some of these brackets that they're attached to, they snapped off, they broke off. These top ones aren't going to fit. These bottom ones might. Snap that in. Snap that in. Snapped in. There we go. It's like putting a puzzle back together.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite the setup. I guess these are these inverters here, or what the heck are these? 12 volt, 5 volt.
Oh yeah, they're on a timer.
Oh, are they? Got a breaker panel here.
Yeah.
Huh.
Version boards.
Yeah, it's quite the setup. Yeah, something definitely came through and hit this. I'm surprised that well's not broke there. Go ahead and close this back up. Call it a day. Yeah, dang it. Come on now.
I got a little car.
What's that?
I got a little car. You alright?
I got it. Closed. Now, let's close this thing up. Yeah, it did. Look at that big old dent in there. I wonder what came through there and got that. I said, I wonder what came through and got that. Well, it was
was a good learning experience, but I'm glad we got it done, and now the fine people of Southern Illinois will have a working message board.